All right, guys. Flawless college football. The other half of last night's flawless college football. Like college basketball, we had a Kentucky case. Sticker on that side. Sticker on that one. Good luck, guys. Wow. I would venture to say that's probably the weakest encased auto I've ever seen. Just a hunch. Just a hunch. We got two colored packs, number 9 of 10, Elroy, Crazy Lake Hirsch. 9 of 10, Crazy Lake Hirsch, two colored for Michigan. 9 of 10. Dual auto, number 24-25. You've got David Naku and Brad Kaya. 24-25, Kaya and Naku. Dual patch, number 4 of 5. 4 of 5, Amir Abdullah. 4 of 5, Amir Abdullah. Got a dual auto, number 14-25, Chad Kelly and Evan Ingram. 14, Chad Kelly, Evan Ingram. Got numbered 4 of 10, Clemson's Michael Williams. 4 of 10, going to the 4th spot, Michael Williams. Two color, numbered 13 of 15, 3 color, choosing Notre Dame's Deshaun Kaiser. 13 of 15, Deshaun Kaiser. We had this on the other side from last night's. 1 colored, 2 color, number 10 of 10, Champ Bailey. Last time we had 8 of 10, right? 10 of 10, Champ Bailey. And you got numbered 3 of 20, Derek Brooks. Going to the 3 spot. Derek Brooks. Magnetics, you've got 9 of 10, Dante Foreman. 9 of 10, Dante Foreman. Got numbered 11 of 20s, Ernie Davis. 11 of 20, Ernie Davis. And we'll finish number 14 of 20, not a clue, Jim Harbaugh. Encased, Jim Harbaugh. 14 of 20. So that'll do it. We'll hop off. We'll get some on YouTube, and we'll be back on Sunday with more Flawless.